big difference in engine characteristics between normal and Sports Plus. In normal, the engine feels quite tame and it's adequate. I don't feel it's underpowered. Even in normal mode, it doesn't feel underpowered. It's adequate. But when you put it into Sports Plus, yeah, and I'm gonna floor it. Feel there's a big difference in terms of the engine response, and also you can feel the steering, it gets a bit heavier as well. I think I was testing out sports mode until I missed my exit. The throttle feels very sensitive in Sports Plus. Just tap it a bit and you can feel the surge. Very sensitive. I think it's too sensitive for everyday driving. Yeah, it's gonna be quite jarring to drive this car on a daily basis in Sports Plus. In sports mode, still okay, but still a bit jarring as well. I think you have to really put it into normal for a leisurely, everyday kind of drive.